Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on Messenger. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go here to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Messenger and you will click here. Messenger, you will click here in this window. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support